A lot of guys have messed around with cars, but very few know how to turn that ability into a skill that can pay $600 a day. And that's what separates the DIY car guy from the mobile paint pro. Because the car guy who already loves working with his hands may be closer to a real business than he thinks, but only if he learns the right kind of repair, the right repair process, and the right business model. So in this video, I'm going to show you what kind of paint repairs actually work for a mobile business, what separates a hobbyist from someone who can get paid, and how you can build this around your current job before you ever think about going full time. Now, if you already like cars, if you've ever sanded something, sprayed something, buffed out a scratch, or taken something apart just to figure out how it works, you're not starting from zero. Most people would never even attempt to touch damage on a car. They'd rather pay someone, leave it at a shop, or just drive around with the damage because the whole thing just feels way too complicated. But the hands-on car guy is wired differently. He looks at a dented bumper and thinks, I wonder if I could fix that, instead of, I need to find somebody to deal with that. He's comfortable with the tools. He's not afraid to mess up and try again, and he likes seeing something beat up come back to life. And that mindset matters here. A lot of businesses don't reward curiosity. You just show up and do the job, but this one does. It rewards the guy who wants to understand what the heck is going on. So if you've been into cars your whole life, even casually, that's a real head start here. But here's where the car guy usually gets stuck. Liking cars and working on your own stuff is not the same as getting paid by customers. There's a gap between I've painted something before and I can fix a stranger's car and charge $600 for it. Now that gap is not talent. It's not about being more of a car guy. It's about having a process. And that's exactly what this video is going to show you. Hey guys, I just wanted to interrupt this video for a really quick second. If you're a hands-on car enthusiast and you want to build a real business with the kind of freedom that most people only talk about, this opportunity might make a lot of sense for you. Just click the link down in the description to work with me directly inside my mobile auto body accelerator. Now, let's get back to the video. But before we get into the process, you need to understand what kind of repairs actually make money in this business. Most guys who find this channel have the wrong picture in their head. They hear mobile paint and imagine somebody spraying an entire car in a driveway, full resprays, custom paint, maybe even a paint booth in a trailer. That is not this. This business is not about painting full cars. It's not about competing with collision shops. It's not frame damage, structural repairs, or tearing apart vehicles. This is small cosmetic repair, or smart repairs for short, the kind of damage that normal people get every single day in every city across the US and around the world. Someone backs into a pole in a parking lot, scraped bumper. Someone clips a curb too tight, scuff along the lower fender. Someone pulls into a garage too close and scrapes the corner of the bumper against the wall. That's the work. And the reason this matters is because most people, they don't fix this kind of damage through insurance. The problem just feels too small for a body shop process, but too annoying to ignore forever. And that's where the mobile tech comes in. Now, to be fair to body shops, this isn't usually their ideal type of work. Their model is built around larger jobs, insurance jobs, multi-panel damage, bigger ticket work that supports the overhead of a full shop. So when somebody walks in with a 6-inch bumper scrape, that small repair still has to move through the same estimating process, the same scheduling system and production line as everything else does. And that's why a lot of shops either price the repair really high, make the customer wait days or weeks, or just pass on the job altogether. The mobile paint tech solves that differently. There's no shop overhead. There's no waiting behind insurance jobs. You show up, you fix the damage, and you get paid. That's the model. And these repairs are everywhere. There are now roughly 289 million vehicles on the road in the United States alone, and the average vehicle is almost 13 years old now. People are keeping their cars longer than ever, and they drive them every day, park them in tight spaces, squeeze them into garages, and deal with small cosmetic damage constantly. Small cosmetic damage is not a niche problem, it's an everyday problem. And the Mobile Paint Pro is not trying to become a body shop. He's solving one specific problem, small cosmetic damage, in a way that's faster, simpler, and more convenient for the customer. So now that you understand the kind of repair we're talking about, the next question becomes obvious. Why would somebody pay $600 for something like a bumper scrape? And once you understand that part, the whole business model starts making sense. $600 for a bumper scrape sounds like a lot. And if you're thinking about it from your own perspective, what you'd personally be willing to pay, it might feel hard to justify, but you're not the customer. The customer is not buying paint. They're buying a solution to a problem that's been sitting on their car for 3 months because every time they thought about fixing it, the whole process felt way too painful. Here's what going to a body shop actually looks like for that customer. They call the body shop. They probably get put on hold. They drive in their car for an estimate. The estimate comes back at $1,200, maybe $1,400. The advisor tells them that they'll need the car for 4 days. 4 days without a vehicle means they need a rental, and the rental costs money. They have to then arrange drop off and pickup. They have to shuffle their schedule. And at the end of all of that, for a scrape on a bumper, they still have to file a claim or pay out of pocket. A lot of people just decide that it's not worth it. They drive around with the damage on the car. But the damage doesn't stop bothering them. Every time they walk up to their car in a parking lot, they see it. And every time a passenger gets in, they notice it. It becomes a low-grade frustration that they just end up living with. This is where Mobile Auto Body comes in. The customer goes online to see if there are other options for repairing their scratched bumper. They Google bumper repair and you come up. They snap a few pictures of the damage, they fill out your online estimate form, and you give them a quote in less than 24 hours, with the added benefit that you bring the body shop to their driveway. No rental, no drop off, no pickup, no 4-day wait, no insurance claim, no shuffling the schedule. The car gets fixed in their driveway while they're inside drinking coffee. That is not a hard sell. That's a relief. So when you look at it that way, $650 versus $1,400, zero inconvenience versus 4 days of logistics, the mobile price doesn't feel expensive. It feels like the obvious choice. The customer is not paying $600 for paint. They're paying $600 to make a problem go away without turning their week upside down. That's the value. And once you understand that, pricing your work correctly gets a lot easier because you're not guessing at what a repair is worth. You're pricing the convenience, the speed, and the simplicity of your whole service. But here's the part that most guys don't think about. Knowing what customers will pay doesn't mean you're ready to start taking their money yet. There's a gap between DIY car guy and someone who can actually deliver a repair that a customer will pay for. And that's what we're going to cover next. Picture a typical Saturday. He's got a scratch on his own car, so he watches a couple of YouTube videos. He picks up some product at the parts store and he heads out to the garage. He tries one thing, it doesn't look right, so he tries something else. He spends 4 hours on it. The repair ends up decent, not perfect, but good enough. He's happy with it. And honestly, that's how most of us started. That's how I started too. You experiment, you test things, you mess up, and then you redo it. It's completely normal. But a Mobile Paint Pro cannot work like that once customers are involved, because now there's pressure. The customer expects the repair to look right. They expect you to show up on time. They expect consistency, and they expect you to know what you're doing before you touch their car, and that changes everything. The pro is not randomly trying products and just hoping for the best. He's following a repeatable process. He knows how to inspect the damage, he knows how to clean and prep correctly, how to sand without creating bigger problems, how to feather the edges properly, how to mask the panel, how to then blend the color, how to apply the clear coat, and then how to polish the repair so it actually looks finished. And most importantly, he knows how to repeat that process over and over again without having to guess every single time. And that's where the money comes from, not from randomly knowing how to spray paint. The money comes from being able to produce a consistent repair on demand. A hobbyist experiments. A professional follows a process. Most DIY guys are actually closer than they think because the interest is already there. The willingness to learn is already there. And what they're missing is the roadmap that turns the skill into an actual business. They already like cars, they already like working with their hands, and they may have already sanded something, painted something, buffed on something, or repaired something before. But what they don't have is a roadmap. They don't know what repairs to focus on first, what tools actually matter, what products to buy, what to practice, how good the repair needs to be before charging customers, how to price jobs, how to talk to customers, how to get their first before and after photos, or how to actually get people calling them. So what happens? Most guys just stay stuck in garage mode. They keep experimenting. They keep watching random YouTube videos. They keep buying tools and they just keep on practicing. But they never bridge the gap between I can work on cars and I can actually make money doing this. Look, a skill by itself does not automatically become a business. A lot of talented people stay broke because they never build a system around the skill. And that's why inside my mobile auto body accelerator, we don't just teach random paint tips. We teach the roadmap, what repairs to start with, what tools you actually need, how to practice without wasting months guessing, how to avoid beginner mistakes that kill confidence, how to price jobs, how to build proof, how to get customers, how to fit this around your current schedule while you're learning. Because the goal is not just to help somebody spray paint better. The goal is to help somebody build a repeatable skill that can actually create income and freedom. And here's the part that most guys don't expect. You don't have to quit your job tomorrow to start building this. In fact, I wouldn't recommend that. Most people watching this have bills, families, responsibilities, a mortgage, and car payments. So the goal is not to blow your life up overnight chasing some kind of fantasy. The smart way to build this is the same way that I built it, step by step. You learn the skill, you practice the process, you get feedback, you improve your repairs, you build confidence, and then you start taking small jobs around your current schedules. Maybe weekends, maybe one bumper repair on a Saturday. But that's how this starts becoming real. Not from motivational videos, not from taking a leap, but from actual proof. Let me give you a real example. One of my students, Joseph, posted in our community a couple of days ago about a job that he just did. He had to repair a quote and wasn't totally sure what to charge, so he posted the question in the community. He ended up quoting the customer $997. The customer accepted instantly. Joseph thought he had quoted too high. It turns out the customer had already received a quote from a body shop for $3,000 for the same work. Now, Joseph's price was 66% less than the body shop. The customer didn't hesitate because compared to the alternative, Joseph was the obvious choice. He walked away with a job he wasn't even sure he could land, and the customer walked away saving over $2,000 and avoiding the body shop process entirely. That's what the math actually looks like in real life. A mobile tech who's still building his business, taking jobs around a schedule, charging a fraction of what a shop charges, and still walking away with close to $1,000 on a single repair on a Saturday. That's not theory. That literally happened a couple of days ago in the community. And once somebody pays you for a repair, your mindset changes. And once you do it twice, it changes again. And once you realize you can make real money with your hands without needing a body shop, without going to trade school, and without waiting years for permission from somebody else, that's when people start seeing this differently. And this is important. You do not need 20 jobs a week for this to matter. A couple of solid repairs a month can help somebody breathe easier financially. One $600 bumper repair on a Saturday, two of them in a weekend, A few jobs every weekend can become a serious side income, and over time, the confidence grows, the skills improve, and the referrals start happening. The before and after photos, they start stacking up, and eventually, some guys decide they want to go full time. But the key is this: you build the bridge before you cross it. That's how you remove a lot of the fear. You don't quit first and just hope it works. You build the skill first, you build the proof first, you build the demand first, and then you decide how far you want to take it. And that's what makes this such a practical opportunity for the right person. But before this starts sounding way too easy, there's one thing I want to be very honest about, because I'd rather lose you here than have you start this thinking it's something that it's not. This is not easy money, and it's not passive income. It's not some online gimmick where money just shows up while you sleep. I'm not going to pretend that it is, because guys who buy into that pitch end up frustrated 3 months later when reality doesn't match the fantasy. Here's the truth: this is a real skill. That means you have to practice. You have to mess up on practice panels before you ever touch a customer's car. You have to learn the process. You have to actually learn it, not just watch a video and assume that you got it. You have to get comfortable talking to customers and quoting jobs and standing behind your work when something doesn't go perfectly the first time. You have to build confidence. The only way confidence ever gets built in life: by actually doing the thing again and again until it stops feeling hard. And that takes effort. It takes time. It takes the willingness to look like a beginner before you look like a pro. And honestly, that's why this works. Because the guys who aren't willing to do that part, they self-select out. They never take the risk on themselves, and so nothing will ever change in their life. They go looking for the next shiny thing, which means the guys who do stick with it have very little real competition. Most areas have a handful of body shops and almost no serious mobile operators. The work is there, the customers are there, and the opportunity is there. But it only opens up for the guy who's actually willing to put in the reps. So if you're looking for something easy or something passive, this is not it. If you want money to fall out of the sky while you scroll on your phone, this really is not for you. But if you're the kind of guy who likes working with his hands, who's not afraid of a learning curve, who wants real income from real work, and who's willing to put in a few months of effort to build something that pays you for years to come, then this might be exactly the right path. This is for the guy who wants to build something real around cars, not for the guy looking for a shortcut. So if that's you, if you've watched this far and you're starting to think this might actually be the right move for me, let me show you exactly where to start. Just click the link down in the description to work with me directly inside my mobile auto body business accelerator. And if you want to see what this business actually looks like day to day, you're going to want to watch this next video right here.